Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start making money simply by writing content for iWriter.com. Stick around because I'll also share tips on how to level up this side hustle. But first, let's take a quick look at how the platform works from a client's perspective. And before we dive deeper, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who could use this info. It really helps the channel grow. So, here's the deal. When clients use iWriter, the first step is signing up for an account. After that, they describe the type of content they need by listing their requirements. Once that's done, they'll receive the content, review it, approve or reject it, and finally download it. Then the cycle repeats. But let's not focus on paying others. We're here to make money, not spend it. Here's the good news. iWriter isn't some random, obscure website. They've been around since 2011, and they've built quite a reputation. With over 1,000 active writers and more than 5,900 jobs posted just in the last 30 days, there's plenty of work available. As a writer on iWriter, you'll work as a freelancer. That means no rigid schedules. You decide when and how much you want to work. This flexibility is a huge advantage. Now, let's talk money. Once you're promoted to higher tiers, you can earn up to $80 for a 500-word article. That's pretty great, especially since writing 500 words doesn't take all day. Plus, you get to choose topics that match your expertise, which makes the work easier and more enjoyable. To get started, you'll need to apply. Signing up alone won't cut it. You must submit an application, which includes a couple of short writing samples. One of them is a 200-word personal introduction explaining why you want to write for iWriter. The second is another 200-word article answering a question like, what's the number one way a company can succeed with social media marketing? This test is important because it helps them assess your research and writing skills. One thing to note, your writing must be original. iWriter uses tools like Copyscape to check for plagiarism, so copying someone else's work won't fly. Now, here's a tip to make the process easier. Doing research for these tests can be time-consuming, but you can use AI tools like Writer.me to speed things up. It's an AI writing assistant that generates content ideas quickly. While you can't copy-paste its results, it's a fantastic way to gather insights and structure your article. Once you're accepted and start earning, you can consider upgrading to more advanced tools like Jasper.ai. While it's a paid service, it can save you time in the long run and help you produce even better content. But what if your iWriter application doesn't get approved? No worries. There are alternatives like Textbroker.com, which is more beginner-friendly and doesn't require as much experience. They streamline the payment process and offer plenty of opportunities for new writers. If you've gained some experience on platforms like iWriter or Textbroker, you can take things up a notch by writing scripts for YouTube channels. Script writing is a lucrative niche with less competition than other freelancing gigs. Platforms like Fiverr are great places to start. Search for scriptwriter, and you'll find professionals charging $80 or more per script. To succeed in this space, focus on improving your writing and research skills. Use tools like Jasper and Writer.me to make your workflow smoother and your content stronger. And remember, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one platform. Explore freelancing sites, script writing, or even starting your own content-based projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support keeps this content coming and helps more people discover it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.